beautiful, my hair is healthy, my hair will grow. Don't let people just come and touch your hair. Have eggs actually. Egg is a very good protein that once used on your hair, it's going to create a lot of impact. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all have been doing amazing. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sharon, and if you're coming back here once again, thank you so much for clicking in this video. Welcome to another chit chat video, and as you've seen from the title of the video today I'm going to be sharing with you how I grew my hair to be very long and thick. Hit subscribe, grab your cup of water, and let's get right into the video. So I think it will be best for me to start by giving you just a brief history about my hair. I used to have long hair when I was growing up, and then when I got to around 11 years old, I shaved my hair for 3 years, and then after that I had a very difficult time growing my hair once again. I remember I thought of even using chemicals to enhance my hair growth. I thought of getting those hair growth oils, you know, all those products that are always advertised in order for us to grow our hair. I thought of getting them, but none helped me. I thank God I never got to use chemical in my hair, because I think that's the worst decision I could have made back then. So quick forward to 2020, when COVID happened, my sister and I used to binge watch a lot on YouTube. So we discovered a certain content creator from Nigeria called Chiziduru, and she used to do a lot of how to take care of your hair and all that. So we started watching videos about natural hair. We actually didn't know that this was such a thing. We didn't know that natural hair was such a thing that was treasured, because growing in Kenya, especially in Africa, where all salonists are always against you having natural hair. Up to date, my sister and I, and even some of my friends that I know have natural hair, sometimes they go to salons and it's hard to find a salonist who will know how to deal with your hair. Most of them will just look at you, and if they know they can't deal with it, they'll tell you to go to another salon. So I started treating my hair myself. I started doing everything for myself until 2021. So for like a year or so, that's when I started treating my own hair, doing my own hair, braiding my own hair. You remember how COVID time we used to chill in the house and just do all that? That's the time I decided to take advantage and use my own hands to grow my own hair. So after that, I did it and it worked. So in 2021, around January, February, the last week of January, I decided to go to a salon and have my hair blow dried. And let me tell you, my hair was so long compared to how I had, like, you know, the fact that my hair couldn't grow. And then now we straightened my hair and my hair was so long. That's when I realized that it's true that natural hair is such a thing. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the tips or some of the few things that I did, and I'll be sharing with you 7 tips that I implemented to ensure that my hair is long, thick, and healthy. So tip number 1, I think this might sound like I'm bragging or something, but it is what it is. Always pray for your hair. It's very important for you to pray for your hair. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I'll go to a salon and maybe I didn't have an option to go to that salon. I didn't have another choice but to go to that salon, and I'll see how maybe the hairdresser is looking at my hair. So what I always do nowadays is I pray for my hair. As I'm washing my hair, I pray for it. I tell God to bless my hair, to protect my hair from any evil eyes, any evil tongues. You know, you see the way black girls, we have cute hair, and then sometimes when you straighten your hair, it causes a lot of attention. So it's important for you to always pray for your hair. The second tip that you need to do to ensure that your hair is growing strong, healthy, and long is hydrate your hair. It's very important as the people with, I think most of the African girls have the type 4 hair, and then under type 4 hair we have type 4A, B, C. I fall under type 4C. Type 4C is the type of hair that 1 minute it's straightened, 1 minute it's all the blow dry is gone. As you all can tell, my hair is straightened, but you can't tell that it's just from getting some heat on it, because that's type 4 hair. You know, it can't retain heat for so long, especially type 4C. For those who have type 4A are the people who have the, in Kenya we call it walalo hair, or the nywele ya makamasi. That's the type 4A type of hair. So always ensure that you hydrate your hair. Let me tell you, hydrating your hair is very important. The fact that your hair doesn't get to stay dry is very important. So always make sure when you're not braiding your hair, like me, I always do it in cycles. I make sure that I will braid, or I'll have my hair done for like 2 months, and then for 1 month I'm not going to go to the salon. What I'll do, I'll just be having protective hairstyles where I can be able to wash my hair frequently, moisturize my hair, and apply oils, you know. So always make sure that you hydrate your hair. The other thing that I just mentioned, tip number 3 to grow your hair, is protective styling. And when I'm talking about protective styling, I'm not talking about braids, I'm not talking about weaves, you know. I'm not talking about hairstyles that will make you cause pressure on your hair. I'm talking about hairstyles that will make sure that you're not disturbing your hair, you're not disturbing your scalp. Protective hairstyles include convos. I'm going to look for photos and insert for you. Protective hairstyles include convos, they include mini twists, they include nowadays we have this mini twist where you just add an extension, you know. They include, I don't know if sister locks is a type of, I think the artificial sister locks is also a type of protective hairstyle, as long as you are not causing any pressure onto your hair. A protective hairstyle is a hairstyle that once you just braid it, you forget about your hair for the next 3 months. So it's very important, if you want to grow your hair, to always make sure that your hair is in a protective hairstyle. Tip number 4 that you need to do in order to grow your hair healthy, long and thick, is to oil your hair. The scalp is the foundation. The scalp, you know, is the foundation of where our hair grows. So it's very important to ensure that we oil our scalp, we massage our scalp, we just give it that moment of authentication, to just make sure that whatever is growing there is being oiled, is being moisturized, you know. So it's very important for you to oil your hair. Tip number 5 that you can do in order to grow your hair is to protein treat your hair. And when I talk about protein treating your hair, it can be, you can decide to get oils that have the protein treatment ingredients. That includes avocado, that includes, there are so many plants. Right now I can't think about them. I don't know why, I'm on the spot. But there are so many proteins. We have eggs, actually. Egg is a very good protein that once used on your hair, it's going to create a lot of impact. You can decide if you cannot be able to afford the oils. This is what I used to do. I could get an avocado. An avocado is just so cheap. 30 Kenya shillings, I think $3. And a fresh avocado, cut it into pieces, and then just choose a day, like on a Saturday when I'm not going anywhere. I just take the avocados and apply on my hair and then just chill in the house the whole day. Wash my hair in the evening, and that makes sure that your hair is growing strong and the protein ingredients or the protein treatment is being very effective. The other thing that you need to do, this is tip number 6 for you to grow your hair. This is just free advice. Be stress-free, because the moment you have stress, we tend, as human beings, we tend to really hold our hair. We tend to, you know, just hold our face, have a frowned face, you know. And when we are happy, we are smiley, you know. The face doesn't actually get wrinkles very quickly. But the moment you're used to being stressed, most of the times you'll find that you're just scratching your hair, you're just having to keep beating your hair. And remember, the hair is something that it's not supposed to be given so much pressure, especially when it's wet. So avoid stress. It's very good to just just live a stress-free life. And if you feel like it's becoming too much, because we have people who once they have stress, they end up scratching their scalp too much, that the hair becomes too weak at the root area, you know. And once the hair becomes weak at the root area, then that means that your hair is going to be damaged. And who wants that for herself, sis? You know, so don't stress. And if you have any stress, we have so many applications online like BetterHelp that can help you. Just go there, log in, and they will help you overcome whatever it is that you're going through. And then the tip number 7 that I'm going to be sharing with you, and it's the final tip that I'm going to be sharing with you guys about how to grow your hair long, healthy, and thick, is say blessings and affirmatory things upon your hair and don't let people touch it. Say blessings, affirmatory things upon your hair and don't let people touch it. And by this I mean you can always say to your hair that my hair is strong, my hair is beautiful, my hair is healthy, my hair will grow, my hair will be the most beautiful black hair, my hair will be healthy, I will not get hair damages, my hair will not be, you know, just say those sweet things upon your hair and don't let people touch your hair. Your hair is your crown. As a black girl, as a white girl, your hair is your crown, you know. Don't let people just come and touch your hair. It's only the people who you choose to let touch your hair should touch your hair. But random people just come in and trying to touch your hair, refuse. My sister, I say refuse, you know. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this has been such an educative video. If I get the time, I'll try and always create natural hair content for you guys, so you guys can see how it's so easy to maintain natural hair. It just requires a lot of patience and a lot of time, but it's the best decision that I made, and I wish you can make it as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope this video gets to enlighten you and gets to motivate you to grow your natural hair, because it's doable. I did it from 2020, now we're in 2024. For 4 years I've been natural, no less heat, because I can't say that I've not been straightening my hair. I've been doing some very less heat on it. I've been, I think, 4 years natural. This is so nice. I should actually celebrate my hair for being 4 years natural. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for this and more amazing content. Thank you so much, and until the next one, bye-bye. Be loved.